Bees as usual.
Oh yeah, I did it. Got lifted, increasing digits. Money, take a break, cause yeah, boy, I lived it.
So, GoPro, thank you GoPro, sent me a couple packages to Hawaii. Some propellers and a left arm. Let's unbox them, shall we? So GoPro forgot to pack the little screwdriver. I need to replace the arms that they rush delivered to me. So now I have to go to the hardware store. I asked the hotel, the Hilton, if they could provide me a little 2mm hexagon wrench, but they say they don't do that. So Hilton, your grand vacations, just kidding. Anyways, I'm about to go. Bye, love. Hi, Kanani. Kiss Daddy. Mwah. So just pulling up to Ace Hardware to find this little hexagon wrench to fix my drone. I'm about 30 minutes away, 15 miles approximately. So yeah, let's go over there and get this freaking wrench. Hopefully they got it. So I got it for about $5. Thank you. Have a good day. My drone was a no-go, but it's okay. So what happened with the drone? When I was changing the propellers, one of the little knobs or screws that the propeller screws onto broke off. So the other arm is broken, and it's gonna take more than 2-3 days to get sent over here to Hawaii, where I'm at, Big Island. Because today's Sunday, we're leaving Wednesday morning, so they can't send anything until Monday. Be here, get sent by Wednesday, and already be back in the city. The solution to this problem, my wife came up with it, and that's why I love her for it, is that we bought another drone. I wanted the Mavic Pro, but we had to settle for the Mavic Air because they don't have the Pro anymore. And yeah, so we'll get some good footage, not on you GoPro, but Mavic, since GoPro couldn't come through for me. All good, still love you though. Yeah.
Just finished counting all this money for me out and about, and now I'm cool. Spark up a dough, we both took a few, enjoying this view. We high off life.
You still hungry or more? Are you done? More? More juice? I love you.